So the author of the Information Technology Act 66A, Kapil Sibal, becomes the champion of media freedom. As I said, Ami Yagnik, it's very touching, but you cannot deflect it by asking counter questions to the BJP. We can ask counter questions to the BJP. Even Shahid Siddiqui can, Aarti Jarat can, Hartosh can, I can, and Shobha De can. But you can't, you see. Over the last few years, you have contributed to losing that moral high ground. Miss Yagnik, you understand?
Now everyone can ask questions. Yes, I understand your question, and everyone can ask a question to me or to the Indian National Congress. But when somebody who is a Prime Minister nominee tweets World Happy Press Day, then we have to show the track record of Gujarat. And definitely that was what Kapil Sibalji did by showing what has been going on since 2002. Just let us take one incident where a small child lost his parents in communal violence and he was not given the rehabilitation facility. Honorable President APJ Abdul Kalam told the state government, what is going on? Please help this small child. And that news was broadcast by Aaj Tak, and the correspondent had to face charges of sedition. So can we not bring it to the notice that, well, what are you doing in Gujarat?
No, the media is capable of fighting for itself, and where were you all this while? The media is capable of fighting for itself. It doesn't need Congress party support. It doesn't need this fake support.
We are not fighting. We are not fighting for the media. We are fighting for the people.
And where was your Prime Minister? Where was your Prime Minister? Where was your Prime Minister's office?
People coming on the channel.
Where was your Prime Minister's office when it
many channels?
When it
critical of the government?
Yeah, when it wanted to dole out all kinds of favors and freebies to journalists, you know, who would toe the line. Have you even read what your Prime Minister's media advisor has written in his book? Have you even read that? Do you not owe an explanation to the people of this country? Come on, Miss Yagnik. Anyway, Shobha De wants to ask Meenakshi Lekhi something.
When they write this book, when they are not in power, when they are not there, when they are supposed to give suggestions. Wow, these post-retirement books, I think we have to be looked into very carefully.
Shobha De seeks an assurance from Meenakshi Lekhi tonight.
We are waiting for
it's very important to ask.
We are all waiting for Manmohan Singh's book, post-retirement.
Exactly, I agree with you, Shahid Siddiqui.
It's very important that Ms. Lekhi today tells viewers that assuming that they will be in power very soon, can she give us an assurance that her government won't go after journalists, won't intimidate the press, will respect people's right to express themselves, will respect the freedom that the Constitution guarantees us? Can she give such an assurance to everybody tonight that they won't do it?
What is the value of assurance on television?
I am not only giving you that assurance, I am going to abide by what the Constitution of India says, but I want an assurance from you as well as a media person that there will be no malicious campaign. A reporter will work as a reporter
who decides
and not
what's
as a
malicious?
judge. Will you please allow me to complete?
That is exactly the problem.
I want the definition of malicious tonight.
The ads are being approved by Mrs. Gandhi, and only one newspaper like Telegraph happened to report it. Nobody else reports it.
Just a minute.
I want that reporting to happen. I want
Meenakshi Lekhi, Miss Lekhi, you have gone into Miss Lekhi,
dangerous terrain.
Miss Lekhi, you have just walked into
allow digging of graves.
Miss Lekhi,
dangerous terrain, Miss Lekhi.
Miss Lekhi, you have just walked into very dangerous terrain, and allow me to let the journalists come in on this. You see this definition, Miss Lekhi. Miss Lekhi, this definition. This definition of what is malicious. By the way, some of our panelists say, what is the value of Miss Meenakshi Lekhi's assurance? Well, let it be on record. My question is, every political party says this.
Who's thanking the police as a victim of 2002
Miss
and
Lekhi, hear me out. Now, are you not going to listen to me?
He was in fact being held by the state police.
Will you have no patience to listen, Miss Lekhi? There are three journalists who find what you have said just a little discomforting. And please hear them out.
DAVP ads get approved by Mrs. Gandhi. Nobody reports on that.
Now, Miss Meenakshi Lekhi, I would like you to listen to what two or three journalists want to say to you. the use of the word malicious. And by the way, I place on record, Aarti, that every political party says this. They say you have the freedom of expression, but don't do something malicious.
No,
What is malicious?
freedom comes
For
with
Suresh Kalmadi, the
responsibility.
CWG
That's
scam
all
is
my
malicious.
point.
For
You
the Prime
have
Minister,
all
the
the
2G
freedom
scam
under
is
the
malicious.
Constitution.
For
I
Kapil
abide by the
Sibal,
Constitution.
SL Maxis is
But
malicious.
no, and
Hartosh.
responsibility at your end.
Hartosh.
Arnab.
Aarti Jairath,
Arnab,
first of all,
this
who
is-
comes first?
Arnab.
Aarti Jairath goes first, Hartosh.
Arnab.
Narendra
Okay,
Modi,
go.
yeah, Narendra Modi in a recent interview said something that was quite disturbing when he talked about the press. He talked about news traders. He said that journalists are news traders. And he said, he implied that the only kind of reports that are honest are when you report on potholes in a road. He says he takes that kind of news seriously.
That's the
what
respect
does
he's
this
showing.
mean? That we should only report on potholes? You know, are we not supposed to report on politics and political news?
You may find it offensive. You may find it offensive. Anybody
Yes, of
who
course.
does
Are we
the work
calling us news
honestly may
traders?
find it offensive, but there are, what he says is also
I know, because
true.
honestly to you,
What he says is
honestly
also
to him
true.
was
And I think
reporting
it
on
is
a pothole in a
that
road.
journalists
That's what
themselves
he
should
said
come
was
together
honest news.
to take action against such people who act as news traders. And
No,
that
Ms.
is
Lekhi,
that I am saying it should be an independent
this is
body
an
run by the
attempt-
journalists
this is an
themselves.
attempt
According
to
to
nobody
him,
else should
diminish
control
honest
it.
reportage,
Diminish
Arnab.
and
writing
demoralize
about
the press.
potholes in
This
a
is an
road.
attempt to
That's
show
what
them
he
the
said
show
is
them press
honest
that
reportage.
Journalists also need to
come
act
on.
with
So no
responsibility.
politics. We
Who's
can't
going to
report
fix
on
that
politics.
responsibility?
We can't report on
Obviously,
scams.
government should not.
We can't report on,
Obviously, no other institution should come in the way.
Any
I
attempt
think
to
the press
pressurize the
council,
press
etc.,
is
need
going
to be better
fought
equipped and should
fiercely.
be run by the journalists.
Any attempt to pressurize the press is going to be defended and fought strenuously.
I am
You
not,
see what
I'm
happens.
not
Political parties
suggesting
are going to win
anywhere
this
that
war.
there should be any
Arnab.
attempt.
There's no way
All
they're
I'm
going to
saying
win this
is
war.
freedom comes with responsibility.
Yes,
Please act
yeah,
with
but
it.
that-
What's
but
wrong
need to
with
be
it?
told that.
Two things,
Of
course it comes with
two things,
responsibility.
please, since we are being taught civics overnight.
From an authorized
Since we are being taught civics, I'd like to say that freedom comes from the Constitution, not from a political party.
Exactly.
And the responsibility of the journalist,
Constitution.
the responsibility, Meenakshi Lekhi, hear me, Meenakshi Lekhi. I'm not wagging my finger on the
Should
screen.
be exercised by the press themselves.
Miss Lekhi,
rather than any other institution.
Miss
coming
Lekhi,
in the
two
way.
things, please listen, because you see, if you respect the media,
All I'm saying is,
which you
Arnab,
do.
act with
Miss
responsibility.
Lekhi, what are you doing, Miss Lekhi? If you 1 minute, please. See, please, we won't get worked up. You see, please understand this. Freedom, our rights come from the Constitution, not from a political party. If a political party tomorrow gets 543 out of 543
Absolutely.
seats, still that
Nobody
party cannot
understands
claim.
better than I do.
Exactly.
And the second point is our responsibility is there. Our responsibility is not to a political party. And our responsibility is to the viewer and the reader.
Constitution of
Arnab.
India.
And not to a
And it
motivated section of
prevents
people
malicious-
who may want to seek an
talks about
assurance from the
malicious
media that it will
defamatory
latch on to its
acts
coattails for a
also.
sense of
False
legitimacy.
stories also.
Our legitimacy does not come from political parties and never will.
Law is not just for you. Law
Hartosh
is
wants to
also-
say something.
You can't malign somebody.
Arnab.
Hartosh.
For nothing.
Yeah, Arnab.
That also is the law.
Arnab, if you look at the past 3 years
There has to be a
and
balance.
look at what has happened with the media and the reportage on the Congress government.
By the press themselves.
If I may speak, Ms. Lekhi, will you please listen to somebody for a change? Let me just have my say. If, for the past 3 years, if you look at the record of the media on this Congress government, you look at the two... No, ma'am. Oh, go ahead. Please say something else as well. I'll listen and
No,
answer them.
Hartosh, continue.
Yeah. Hartosh, you want to hear it?
Yeah. If we look at the reportage over the past 2 years, look at the Radia tapes, you look at the Commonwealth scam, you look at the coal scam. None of these items were reported by journalists who were ideologically sympathetic to you, Ms. Lekhi, which is what you people want in the media.
Exactly.
These were reported by independent journalists who may have whatever ideology they want, but they did their job as journalists. And the Congress called it malicious reporting. By your definition, none of these things would ever have been printed. And this is exactly the way you want to act now.
No.
You are riding on the back of this wave.
No, calling somebody monster.
There would be no Mr. Modi without this.
I call malicious.
Arnab, can I
Calling
come in?
somebody
what you-
No,
monkey.
Shahid Siddiqui.
No, but that's the point.
No, what
You decide something is malicious. The Congress decides something else is malicious.
Making somebody the face of
The point is, you do not have the right to decide what is malicious.
person's permission is malicious. Printing false article
Arnab.
is
No, I think
what-
what they mean by malicious is
journalists
either you
themselves to
write
take
pro
action,
us
not
or you're
others.
malicious.
Whatever is
Either you
inconvenient to
write
them.
chamcha piece
I mean,
or
you
you're
are taking
malicious.
away our
I think
freedom.
the real
That's
test.
the
This
real
very
definition of
program.
malicious.
Shahid
according to
Siddiqui,
the
Shahid
definition.
Siddiqui.
Even before you have come to power, you are taking away our freedom.
I know of people who prostrated before the Congress government who
Miss
closed
Lekhi.
closed on them on emergency.
Miss Lekhi, let
what
me.
do you call that?
Miss Lekhi, I just want to know one thing. I want to know one thing. That in 2010, 2011, before India Against Corruption came about, much
Sir,
before Aam Aadmi Party. One, please listen.
and
Don't you want to
75
listen,
was
Miss
a
Lekhi?
watermark.
Don't you
How
want to
can
listen?
media
I can
spread
remember.
that watermark?
I would say now, the proof of the
That
pudding is in the
what
eating.
freedom of
The
expression
freedom.
is,
Miss Lekhi,
what
you're not
freedom of
even
press is
listening.
all about.
Miss Lekhi, will
And
you listen?
keep forgetting that.
Miss Lekhi, listen, please. The fact is,
Miss Lekhi,
you were among the
you get-
BJP leaders who would give a standing round of applause each time a scam was broken by a television channel or a newspaper, and you would say, this is honest journalism. Today, perhaps that same standard will have to be upheld by you if you come to power. You will have to stand up and say
I am
scrutiny of that
saying-
level is
I am
honest
saying
journalism.
so.
No, that's not being a news
Mr.
trader.
Goswami, I'm agreeing with you
Thank
and
you.
everybody else on the panel so far as that aspect is
Arnab,
concerned.
I want to say something.
Shahid Siddiqui wants to say something to you.
We will have
all
to.
I'm saying is,
we cannot
all I'm
believe in
saying
these
is
promises.
journalists
Media will have to
themselves
stand up
should be
and fight
responsible
every
to
inch
themselves.
for their freedom. It will never be on a platter. We will
Nobody
have to
should be
have
in a
constant
position to
vigilance,
compromise your
and we will
freedom.
have to see that these people, because anything they just want to hear. They want you to say what they want to hear. They don't want you to say what is the truth.
No.
And they will always do it, whosoever is in power.
Mr.
And
Hartosh,
therefore,
can I
media
make
has to
can I
really
make one
fight
statement?
its way constantly. I'm
according to
very
a person
sure
like
whichever
me,
party is in power, it
internet
will not
is the
allow
new
freedom
God.
of expression.
Because
Freedom of expression
lot of
is to
things
be
would
fought
not
for.
have come out
And
but for
I have the
social
experience
media
of
and internet.
emergency.
And that is why I thank that at least democracy is taking roots. These places cannot be controlled. So
Well, I'm glad
everybody
if
is writing
political
things.
parties-
Even now, if
Everybody is
anybody
disclosing
says
many
anything
If political
against,
parties-
in an uncontrolled
BJP,
atmosphere.
you are a
If
threat to the
political
social
parties
media.
actually
According
learn-
to me, should exist with
If
the media.
political parties
The problem
learn
is
the
not
lesson
what
that media can
print.
never
The
be
problem is
controlled,
what
I think
media
it's a-
chooses not to print.
I think it's a
That
great
is where
lesson to learn.
I have a difference of opinion.
I think these are great lessons to learn if the political parties finally realize that media can't be controlled. Then I think it's a great lesson to learn, and I think all political parties should educate each other more about that. Thank you very much. But by the way, Kapil Sibal as a champion of media freedom, Ami Yagnik, touching but unbelievable. And I'd say this to Kapil Sibal as well. Thank you for joining me on News Hour Debate 2 tonight. Thank you.